Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit WhatsApp messages after sending. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open WhatsApp, and then you need to open any conversation. So let me send a message and I send it. So let's suppose I want to edit this message. You simply need to hold that message and click on three dots, and here you can see an option of edit. Click on that. So here you can see that I added where are you now, and click on the tick mark, and here you can see that this message is now edited. But keep in mind that you can only edit message within 15 minutes. After that you are unable to do that. So let me confirm this. You simply need to hold that message and click on three dots, and there is no option of edit. So this is the process by which you can edit WhatsApp messages after sending. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.